What is up, guys? I'm stoked to show you our latest knife. This is the Lander 5. Now, I could talk all day about blade seals, handle materials, and I'll get to that, but let's cut right to the chase. It's 25 bucks. That's right, the Lander 5 is 25 smackaroos. It's got all that classic Lander look and feel at a super attainable price. Now, this is our 7th Kickstarter, and we would love your support on this project. Back it today. The Lander 5 is high value, low price. So go ahead, use it, carry it, get it dirty, or loan it to your neighbor Larry. He's just going to lose it anyway. No one wants to sacrifice their safe clean to the lawnmower gods. I've spent years volunteering with the Boy Scouts. They have no money, they can't keep track of anything, and they ruin everything. The Lander 5 is for the Boy Scouts and Larrys of the world, or anyone looking for an excellent $25 knife. The Lander 5 comes in 2 versions, black and silver stonewash. It has a blade length of 2.2 inches and an overall length of 5.4 inches. Both models feature stainless steel handles with a sturdy frame lock and a 2-way reversible deep carry pocket clip. The blade is made from 8 CR14 MOV stainless steel. It's a good budget starter steel that is easy to sharpen. This one was a little bit of a funky one to design because, well, you see, I copied myself. And so what we did is we took it back to the drawing board, we redesigned, and we're pleased to release our very first thumb hole opener. This is the 5th Lander in the line, but it's not the last. How's that for a tease? But wait, there's more! We've got add-ons! Introducing the Knafs Bit Driver Grande. Now, we basically took our smaller version, made it bigger so it fits 1/4-inch bits. So it comes with 3 bits, an O-ring seat belt, and man, this thing spins forever. Up to 2 minutes. Asterisk. At this point, you probably thought we were done with add-ons. But no, there's more add-ons. Also introducing the Sancho Titanium Pry. We designed this specifically for tripod shoes, but you can try it however you want. Be adventurous. Try a staple. The world is your oyster. Along with the add-ons, there will be all the stretch goals, backer updates, and the Kickstarter fixins you've come to know and love from a Knafs project. So there you have it, the Lander 5, a $25 rocket launch into the wonderful world of pocket knives. We are super grateful for all the support over the years, and we would love to have you back this Lander 5 Kickstarter. From the entire Knafs crew, to the moon, amigos!